Looking for a reliable electrical cable for outdoor or underground projects? Meet the 14-3 UFB solid copper underground feeder cable, the perfect solution for your next residential or commercial project. The 14-3 UFB solid copper underground feeder cable is a high-quality electrical wire designed for direct burial and outdoor applications. With a 600-volt voltage rating, this 14 American wire gauge solid copper cable is ideal for residential and commercial wiring, powering outdoor lighting, barns, garages, and more. The PVC jacket provides superior resistance to moisture, sunlight, and corrosion, ensuring long-term performance. This high-quality cable features 14 AWG solid copper conductors, rated for 600 volts, and is designed for direct burial and outdoor applications. Key features: 14 AWG solid copper conductors, rated for 600-volt applications, sunlight, moisture, and corrosion-resistant PVC jacket, approved for direct burial and outdoor use, meets UL and NEC standards. The durable PVC insulation ensures long-lasting performance, even in wet, harsh, or sunny environments. This cable is built to withstand the elements and consistently provide power wherever you need it. Now, let's take a closer look at the cable from all angles with a 360-degree view, so you can see its robust construction and quality. Here's where the 14-3 UFB cable really excels. Common uses and applications: outdoor lighting systems for gardens, walkways, and patios. Power supply to detached buildings like sheds, barns, and garages. Circuit extensions from main panels to outdoor outlets or equipment. Rural and residential underground electrical runs. Agricultural and farm utility wiring. Reliable, sturdy, and code compliant. The 14-3 UFB solid copper cable is ready for your next project. Visit NNC, link in the description.